So I've had the Sherp N for a couple weeks. I've only used it once, but now it's time to tear it apart and install sound. So the back cover is held on a bunch of screws. There's the cover. The Sherp Pro was 3D printed. This one's metal. Yes, it was me. Yeah, I know. It was me. Ready? Okay, whatever. So you take the screws off, the whole back comes right off, and then what you have inside is a weight waterproof box which has all the electronics. Oh, actually you have this plate sitting in here, and then a couple screws hold that down. Take that off and you can get in. The white waterproof box is much like the one he had on the Sherp Pro. A couple of Phillips screws and it comes right off. It's a little tighter up front, and then with all the wires that he has, it is tight. You have to, the white box can be pulled from the front. Pull it from the front, and then you barely get inside. I pulled, what he has is, let's see if we can see the ESC. Can't see it. There's the ESC, at least one of them. There should be two of them. Yep, the other one's over there. And then the battery is down there, and so everything's basically adhered to the roof of the box, including the receiver. So I needed to get to the receiver to be able to hook in my sound kit and drill a hole like he has, but now I gotta fill it with glue, waterproof seal it, and a couple of motors. You can see the back ones. The front ones are up underneath the cab, so to be able to get to those, you will need to remove the roof and then remove the interior plastic pieces. But I'm now ready to reassemble, and we'll have it done.